Hey there! Have you decided on DevOps but don't know where to start? Let me tell you why you should pick us, Tectorial. At Tectorial, we work hard to ensure that our students get that one-on-one connection with the instructors so we can maintain our classes active and engaged. Because of that, we now hold a hybrid version of the course in our Chicago campus and have our online option available. Both of our courses are being taught in English. With Tectorial, class time isn't the only time you have to learn. We provide short videos where our students can take the time to recap the topics that have been covered. We also provide free mentorings in English and recap classes in both Turkish and in Russian. At the moment, we have 2 facilities available for our students to use. We have a campus in Houston and a campus in Chicago where students can come in to study, do homework, gather with peers, or have a quiet place to learn outside of the class hours. We also provide a real-life Capstone Project where you can practice utilizing all the tools that you've learned. You'll also receive several tasks where you can practice on working on real-life scenarios. This will help you gain knowledge on how to handle certain tasks when you're working at a corporate company. Additionally, from getting those real-life examples, we ensure to provide career coaching to all of our students. This also includes interview prep support by a recruiter where you can get guidance on how to build your resume, your LinkedIn account, how to handle and respond to certain interview questions, mock interviews, and overall guidance throughout the market. That's not the only way we help prepare you for your DevOps career path. We also provide our AWS certificate preparation classes, where we'll be able to coach you and guide you on how you can get your AWS certificate. If you're interested in joining our course, well, I have a surprise for you. At the moment, we're offering up to $500 referral bonus if you join our course and refer a friend. Don't press the brakes on your journey. Join us at our next upcoming DevOps course and start your IT career.